Question number 4. Question 4 here says, what would be the molar concentration of human DNA in human cells? Okay, so we need to find out molar concentration. Now, the haploid means N, content of human DNA is 3.3 into 10 raised to 9 base pair. Cram this number, 3.3 into 10 raised to 9 base pair. Now, DNA contact in one human cell is 3.2 picograms. Remember this. The haploid content of human DNA is 3.3 into 10 raised to 9 base pair. Now, DNA contact in one human cell is about 3.3 picograms. Please remember this number.